In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Workday with employee self-service in Copilot Studio. To get started, open your Copilot Studio dashboard and select the Copilot you want to connect with Workday. This is the assistant you'll be enhancing, so make sure you're working in the correct environment before making any changes. Starting from the right Copilot helps avoid confusion later, especially if you manage more than one bot. Once you're inside, head over to the Topics and Plugins section in the left-hand menu. This is where you can expand what your Copilot is able to do. From here, you'll add a new action, which is what allows the Copilot to communicate with external systems like Workday. Next, choose the option to create a new plugin from an external data source or API. This tells Copilot Studio that you want to connect your bot to a service outside the platform. In this case, that service is Workday, which will provide the employee self-service information your users need. After that, enter your Workday API endpoint details, along with your authentication credentials and tenant URL. Be careful during this step because accuracy matters. If any of these connection details are entered incorrectly, the integration may fail or return incomplete results. It's also a good idea to verify that your Workday access has the permissions required for the employee self-service features you plan to use. Once the connection is in place, define the specific employee self-service actions you want to enable. For example, you might allow employees to check their time off balances or update personal information. Keeping these actions clearly defined will make the experience smoother for both your users and your Copilot. From there, map the input and output variables from Workday to your Copilot conversation topics. This is how the bot learns to connect what a user says with the correct Workday request and then return the right information in a useful format. Good variable mapping is essential because it helps the conversation feel natural and accurate. When everything is configured, save your changes and click the test button to preview how the Copilot interacts with Workday data. Testing gives you a chance to confirm that the requests are being understood correctly and that the responses are coming back as expected before anyone else uses the integration. Finally, publish your updated Copilot to make the new integration live for your employees. Once published, your Copilot will be ready to support employee self-service tasks directly through Workday. That's all it takes to bring Workday into your Copilot. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.